How to find your PIN in Roblox. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To find your PIN in Roblox, firstly, launch your Roblox and make sure that you are logged in into your device. Tap on the setting gear icon at the top in your dashboard. Once you are here, select on Help and Safety. Tap on Help Center. That is quick answers to common questions. Now in here, check out for any keywords that is related to your PIN. If not, in the search bar, search for Forgot PIN and tap on the enter or the search icon. Select on I forgot the PIN. In here, you will see a contact form. You need to tap on the contact form given to you. Now you will receive a form type of layout which needs to be filled out by you. Enter a username, first name, email address. Now in the issue details, select the device you are facing this issue in. And in the case of category, select on data privacy request from all of these options. Now once you have selected the option, you will have to select a different option at the bottom as well. In the case, select on Other Privacy Request. In the description of issue, you can elaborate the issue of not being able to find a PIN or forgotten your PIN. After the Roblox team review your problem, they will get back to you in the designated email address. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.